Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to share your YouTube video on Facebook social media platform. Let me go here and open my YouTube channel. Let me go here in YouTube Studio, and now on the left side here you can see content. Click here. Now these are all of the videos that I have recently uploaded here. Let me scroll down, and now I want to copy one of the video link, this one, and then get shareable link. Now let me open my Facebook profile. And here you can see this one is my page. Now let me switch and go to profile page. Then here you can go and add the link, this one. Then click on post button. The second method that you can use is, here you can go and you can play this video on YouTube, and then under the video here you can find out share button. Then you can copy link. Also you can click here and see the Facebook. Simply you can click here and share your video on the Facebook.